From cakes to cookies and everything sweet in between, this local sweet shop has something for everyone. Today we're at Confetti Sweets to explore a truly unique experience and answer the question, what's the deal with Confetti Sweets and their custom cookies? Here we go.
My name is Kathy Lesko, and I'm the founder and CEO of Confetti Sweets, and by CEO I mean Cookie Eating Officer. I've been in the industry for 12 years. I started out as a home-based business for the first 5, and the next 7 were in our storefront in Sherwood Park. The steps needed to make our branded cookies, it actually takes about 3 days in total. So first of all, we cream our ingredients together, we roll out the dough. We use cookie cutters and hand cut each shape. From there, we bake the cookies. Once they're cool, which is usually the next day, we let them rest a little bit. We pipe an outline around each cookie. We let that dry, which is another process. And then we go back and we flood the cookies with a thinner royal icing. From there, we let that dry for typically another day. And then we print the cookies. So we can take any image, print it on there, and from there, we let that dry about a day, and then we pack the cookies, put them in a pretty box with a bow, and send them to your loved ones. When COVID started, we started a little business called Confetti Collective. And we started that because we didn't know what was happening with the farmers markets. And so all of my farmers market friends, I was like, what's gonna happen to their businesses? So we brought them into our shop. We've been selling their products. We have about 50 different vendors that we support, and it's a win-win situation for both them and for us.